Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solutions from set lesson exercise 1.4 question 6. If A has elements 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11, with B having elements 7, 9, 11, 13 and C with elements 11, 13 and 15 and finally with D with 15 and 17, we need to find out the answers for this 10 subdivision. Let's start with the first subdivision, which is A union A intersection B. So A intersection B means all elements that are common to both A and B. So if you see A, it has 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. If you see B, it has 7, 9, 11, 13. So the common elements between these two sets are going to be 7, 9, 11. So that is A intersection B. Now let's move on to the second subdivision, which is B intersection C. So here the common elements between B and set C are going to be 11 and 13 because B has 7, 9, 11, 13 whereas C has 11, 13 and 15. So the common elements are 11 and 13. Now let's see A intersection C intersection D. So A intersection C intersection D means all elements that are common for both set A, C and D. So we'll start with common elements of A and C. If you see the common element between A and C is just 11. So now I have taken that. And now let's see if D has 11. So D doesn't have 11, which means no element is common between the sets A, C and D. Therefore, it is a null set. So now let's move on to the next subdivision, which is A intersection C. So A intersection C means all elements that are common to both A and C, and we just said that there is only one element which is common to both, which is 11. So A intersection C is 11. Now let's see what is B intersection D. B intersection D means all elements common to both B and D. B has 7, 9, 11, 13 whereas D has 15 and 17. So there are no common element, which means it's a null set. Now let's take up the sixth subdivision, which is A intersection B union C. So first let's write out what is B union C. B union C is all elements from both B and C. So this is going to be 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. Now we will find out what is A intersection of B union C. So we need to find common elements from set A with B union C. So set A has 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Here in set B union C you have 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. So the common elements are going to be 7, 9 and 11. Now let's find out what is A intersection D. So A intersection D are all elements that are common to both A and D. We can obviously see that there is nothing common. So A intersection D is a null set. Now let's move on to this eighth subdivision, which is A intersection B union D. So first let's write what is B union D. That is all elements from B and D. So it is going to be 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 and 17. Now we need to find what is A intersection B union D. So A intersection B union D means all elements common to A with B union D. So if you see A has 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 whereas B union D has 7, 9, 11. So this is the common element. So 7, 9, 11. Now let's move on to the ninth subdivision, A intersection B intersection B union C. See, we already found out what is B union C and we already have A intersection B. So let's find out what is the common between B union C and A intersection B. So A intersection B intersection B union C is going to be common elements to these two sets. We see that 7, 9 and 11, which is there in A intersection B, is also there in B union C. So this is going to have the value 7, 9 and 11. Now let's move on to the last subdivision, A union D intersection B union C. So I already have a B union C. Let's work on writing what is A union D. So A union D is nothing but, I'm writing all elements from A. So 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Then D has a 15 and 17. Now I need to compare this A union D along with this B union C and see what are common to both. So A union D intersection of B union C. So let's see what are common. I see a 7 in both, so the 7 is going to be part of it. Then there is a 9 which is common, so that is also written. 11 is also common, that is written. 13 is not there in both sets, however 15 is there. So now the last element will be 15. In the next video, we will find the solution for question 7 in this exercise. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.